I look at this country kind of like it's just one big body. The cities are kind of like different organs of the body. Our highways and interstates would be the arteries and the blood vessels. Well, we're the blood. Truck drivers are the blood of this country. And if we stop, the blood stops flowing and everything just dries up and dies.
Going down the road, it's in the upper back and the shoulder blades areas. It's real stiff and tight.
It actually comes down from the neck in my pectoral area all the way down, just tingling, pins and needles.
I kind of feel it like right up in like towards the neck area.
It was right here. I had my surgery. It was L5-S1.
You know, my oldest grandson's 14, and I used to be able to get down and play with him. My youngest grandson's 3. I can't play with him the same way because I'm hurting too much.
When I'm doing that, I worry about how long am I going to be able to keep this up.
Plus, I never go to a doctor, ever.
For me to go to the doctor, it's going to cost me 3 days worth of work. It also means it's somewhat detrimental to my company because, you know, I've taken myself and my truck completely out of the circulation.
It needs to be a discussion amongst truck drivers. You know, how can we feel better physically?